3 ways you can actually use AI like a pro. Say if I want to post this photo on Instagram and I'm really bad at writing captions, I can just open ChatGPT and ask, write a caption for Instagram for a photo of me in Goa, and just watch the AI write one, even with hashtags. Type more options and the AI will just start giving you so many more options, and I can choose from these and actually use it while I'm uploading this picture on my Instagram. Okay, next one. If I want to create a neat and professional resume, I can just give ChatGPT all the information it needs to make my resume. Watch the AI write a customized resume for you with all the details you provided. You can even ask for a cover letter and it will use the previous information and write a neat cover letter for you. Alright, last one. If you're not really good at writing in English and you just need to write an email, you can just copy and paste the email you've written into ChatGPT and ask it to make it better. Now watch the AI write a proper email with proper grammar and formatting, and you can now use this to send the email. You can use the make it better for essays, articles, or pretty much any text you want, even that cheesy pickup line. Share this with someone who really needs to use one or more of these features, and see you tomorrow.